these bell-shaped sleeves, let's talk about this. These are so cute, very summery. I love the color, the mustard color. It's so fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fashion haul video, and this is different because I didn't go out to buy new clothes. I actually went into my closet and picked out 5 cute outfits that you guys can see. So the whole point of this video is to help you college students, anyone that's still in college and is about to go back to school. If you're looking for cute outfits to wear in your first week in school, especially freshmen, you want to wow those cute boys, I'm going to show you 5 outfits that I got from my closet, and you can always do the same thing. You can go in your closet, pick out 5 cute outfits. You can always recycle your clothes. You don't have to always go out and buy new clothes. It is costly, trust me. I know, I'm a blogger and I recycle a lot of my clothes. And if you have a sister, please go to her closet. Go in her closet and shop because it's so helpful. I have a sister, and that's one perk of having a sister. You can always go in their closet and just shop around in their closet and get a few cute stuff. All right, if you guys want to see all the cute outfits that I put together, let's just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the first outfit. It features denim jeans. I just recently purchased this jeans from Express. I will link blog post. I did create a blog post last week featuring these jeans, so I will link that in the description so you guys can check out these jeans, and they are actually on sale, so they're really cute. I love the detailing at the bottom. These bell-shaped sleeves, let's talk about this. These are so cute, very summery. I love the color, the mustard color. It's so fun, and I think one thing I love about mustard is that it complements different skin types. So I paired these two together because I think the colors just complement each other. I wore these fuzzy flat sandals with the outfit because it's gonna be warm when you go back to school. It starts to get cold around mid-September, so I feel like this outfit is definitely weather appropriate. Yeah, it's really cool. I love this stuff. I've had it for about 2 years, I'll say. I got it from Make Me Chic. It's cool. And like I say, these jeans are from Express, and these sandals are from Zara. So this is the first outfit. If you are an off-shoulder top girl, I think this would be a good option. These bell-shaped sleeves, though, let me be honest, they are so irritating. They get in the way of everything. I mean, they'll get in your food, they'll get in everything. So what I do is I do this and I use my hands to do whatever I'm doing. So if you were, okay to be a little ratchet, just be prepared. This top, it's cute, but it comes with a lot of hustling. But yeah, this is the look. If you plan on wearing this outfit outside of school, you can pair it with a basket bag. I wore this look with this bag, and I thought it was a cute accessory to pair the look with. But I don't think this bag is practical for school, especially if you have a lot of textbooks, if you have your laptop, all the college requirement stuff. I don't know if you were able to see the shoes. I'm filming in my room, and listen, the struggle is beyond real. First outfit is Donzi's. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the second outfit. Okay, so here's outfit number 2. It's a romper. In the front, it gives you an illusion of a 2-piece, but it's actually a romper. Let me tell you one thing I love about college that I do miss. The fact that I would wear anything that I wanted. I mean, I just miss that. It's just, I just hate that, right now in the real life, corporate America, you can't wear anything that you want. I mean, you have to dress appropriately. There's a dress code. In college, there's no dress code. So this outfit, it's cute. It's something I would wear to school, actually. But the only problem is you probably won't want to wear it with a bra because look at that situation. So, and the first time I wore this was in Punta Cana 2 years ago, and I didn't wear a bra with it. So maybe you will want to take out the bra. But yeah, I think it's a really nice, airy outfit for school. course during the first few weeks of college, because before it gets cold, it's not showing the cheeks a lot, so you are safe. I mean, you know when you wear shorts and they're just out here and they're showing your cheeks? You don't have to worry about this. I wore sandals with it because they just go with the outfit, I think. You can wear pretty much anything you want with this, but I think sandals complement the outfit better. Let's see if you can see them. I mean, I wouldn't wear it to those classes that are always cold. Disclaimer, do not wear that because you're gonna be freezing to death. Certainly wear this when you're going to a class that's not cold. I mean, make sure you, because I've been in classes before where, in buildings where it's freezing cold, the class is 2.5 hours long. So can you imagine being in a 2.5 hour class, freezing to death? No. So make sure that when you're wearing something like this, you're not gonna be uncomfortable. These are the shoes that I, look at, oh my God, no. I'm gonna take this one off and wear the third one. Okay, so, I'm running out of air. Here's outfit number 3. I know, you guys are gonna start making fun of these shoes. This style is not for everyone. I need to be honest. This platform sneakers, they've been trending all over the world this summer, and not everybody appreciates them. I'm one of those people. I mean, I just have a love and hate relationship for them because I don't know if I can see myself walk out like this. I don't know. Some girls pull it off really well. I just don't think I can. But I put together this outfit because maybe someone will appreciate it. I don't know. But I think this is also a cute look to wear during your first week of school. I like the pink polka dots. I mean, it's a pink contrast going on. You have a fuchsia and then a baby pink combo going. I think it's really cute. I like that it's off shoulder too. And I love the sleeves. They're very airy too. It's really short. I will put that out. I mean, it's very short. I wouldn't go up a staircase wearing this dress. I mean, if you have people coming behind you, you're gonna have to walk like this and sideways, not like because it's just gonna be a whole lot of flashing. It's too cold if you're in a class that's cold, so keep that in mind because it has really light fabric. So just an FYI, but I think it's cute. I think this outfit would look really nice on girls that are not too curvy. I mean, if you don't have a lot of junk in your trunk and if you're not really curvy, I think this outfit will be ideal for you because I think my donk kind of pushes it up, and so the dress often shifts when I walk. But if you don't have a lot of situations going on in the back, I think you'd be totally fine with this dress. But I like it. I mean, I rock it. I don't know if I would rock it to school though. When I was still in college, I don't think I would wear something like this because then I would always feel self-conscious and having to pull the dress down a lot. So I would wear this to brunch or a night out, but I don't know if I would wear it to school. If you don't like these platform sneakers, I don't even know what they call them, honestly. I have an option for you. I have an alternative shoe option. If I can take them off for you guys to try. The flats for sure make this a girly look. It's like a Barbie doll. Like, hey, it's Barbie. It's very girly. I feel like a ballerina. Ooh. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing, same as the romper that I wore for outfit number 2. I don't know if they still have this dress. I got it this summer, but I did create a blog post. This was actually one of the outfits from the sponsored post that I created a few months back. So I can link that in the description below so you guys can check it out. That is if it's still in stores, of course. I'll check and see if it's still available, and if it is, I will link it in the description so you can purchase it. I don't think the romper though is still in stock because I got it 2 summers ago, so I don't know if that one is still in stock, but I think this one for sure, and the jeans that I wore for outfit number 1 are still in stores, but I'll double check and let you guys know. So this is outfit number 4. It is a striped bodycon maxi dress. I love this dress. It fits me so perfectly. It fits well in the right places. This is the back. It's cute. It's a cute number. I've had this dress for I think 3-4 years, and every time I put it on, it just feels like a new dress. I'm wearing it with these fabric mules. They have a cool fabric on them. I'll show you guys. Look at that. I got this from Zara. They're so fun. The maxi style definitely screams summer, or maybe end of summer. You can pair it with a jacket. I like jacket if you're cold. If you get cold in class, I think that would be ideal. If you don't like bodycon dresses, maybe this is not an option for you, but I think majority of girls like dresses that are fitted like this one. It's comfortable. It's not too tight, so there's always breathing space especially when you eat a full meal. See, it's breathable, and I like the stripes. They're so colorful and fun. I don't know why I keep touching myself. I keep touching myself like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is the final outfit. It is a polka dot dress. It has frills on it. Frills on the arms. It also has a frill detail going down at the bottom like this. I like this dress because it's versatile. Oftentimes in the summer I wear this dress without an undershirt, but because it gets cold sometimes in buildings, I like to put on an undershirt just to be safe. I paired the look with these red slides from Mango. The dress itself is from Express. It's cute. It's very summery, very dreamy. I like the color. It's not too vibrant. If you're not a vibrant color type of girl, I think this dress would be perfect for you. The color is very cool toned, I would say. It's cute. I like that also. It is very airy. You know, I always take that into consideration. I don't know if you guys have noticed that when I'm buying dresses, when I'm purchasing dresses, I need to make sure that the dress has room for me to eat and enjoy my meal. I hate dresses that just leave you in total misery when you eat. So it's very important for me to make sure that the dress I'm wearing has room for me to breathe and for me to, you know, do everything else that nature allows me to do after I eat. I think this dress is still in stock because I got it this summer, so I will check and let you know as well. I will link it in the description if it's still available. This is my favorite outfit of all the 5 that I just showed you because it's very trendy. The frills are so in right now. I like the polka dots. I think polka dots are very classic. They're not going anywhere, so I like that. I also like that you can wear it multiple ways. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the undershirt so you guys can see how you can rock it without the undershirt. Do you see how cool this dress is? I feel like I just wore a whole new dress. Whole new dress. This is how I normally wear it during the beginning months of summer. It's screaming yay summer. Hey, where you at? Where you been? Oh my god, yay. It shows off sun-kissed shoulders. It shows off your collarbones. It shows off your arms. It's a good summer dress. I like it. I like this dress. And it wasn't too expensive when I got it. And I think it's on sale right now because Express is clearing out its summer collection and it's bringing in all the new folk looks. So I think this is most definitely on sale, but I will check and let you guys know. I'm still wearing those red mules from Mango. this is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like playing dress up with you guys. I mean, if you guys enjoy seeing this type of videos, let me know down below. I am more than happy to create multiple videos like this. I hope you guys that are going back to college got some outfit inspirations for your first week of school. Don't be afraid to always go in your closet and recycle clothes. I do that a lot. If you're a blogger and you're not established like the big bloggers you hear of, like Ami Song, let me tell you, you do not want to be going out every day to splurge and buy new clothes all the time just to keep up your blog. I feel like the whole essence of fashion is just being creative and working with what you have, which is why I'm big on going back to my closet and just piecing multiple pieces together, creating a whole new outfit with old stuff. So just go in your closet, pick out a whole bunch of old things and just put them together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.